Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and small review for the Lionel HO scale Strasburg Gondola 102. Now, if you've been to my channel for a little bit now, you will know that I do go to Strasburg quite a bit, mostly for the Thomas events. I do love Strasburg quite a bit, and whenever there is Strasburg railroad related and HO scale, I do try to go out and get it if I could. Um, that being said, I will not get the Bachmann 44-ton switcher. I am looking at the Repeato though one, but we'll see what happens. Now, to my knowledge, Strasburg did have a gondola for riders to take. It was like years ago though, however. I do not have any pictures of it, but I do know another YouTuber who did a review on this gondola as well, did show some history about the gondola. I myself am not all that familiar with it, but I bought it because, like I said, it's Strasburg and I love Strasburg. All right, and here is the gondola. My first time opening it. It's very nice. It got some nice weight to it. Of course, the detail is basic, but I mean, it's a gondola, so not much you can really ask for. But I really do like the weight of this. Nice and solid. Got a nice little brake wheel right here. Trucks look pretty good as well. We do have, I believe, metal couplers. Yep, these are metal, as well as metal wheels. This is the underframe. Yep, simple gondola. Nothing crazy. It's pretty good freight car for the price. You know what I'm saying? Not really too crazy about Lionel and HO scale, but they definitely do a pretty solid job with this gondola. I'll give them that. All right, now it's time for the good old coupler height gauge. Come on, just right here. That's a little low on this side. Try the other side. Just a tad low, nothing crazy. Same thing on this side as well, just a tad low. But not too bad. Alright, y'all, so we're going to do a quick little roll test now that it's on the layout. Just a quick little roll test. For the amount of weight, that's actually pretty good. It's not bad. Okay, so that wraps it up for this video. It's a nice car, you know what I'm saying? Like, of course, you don't get a lot, like, you don't get like a Repeato or something, but for the price, it's a very good car. And if you like Strasburg, of course, I'll recommend it. And like I said, anything else Strasburg that comes out, I try to get my hands on it. We will see. No promises. But please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for checking out my channel, and I will see you next time.